Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Big Drip. We back at it with another banger, man. Y'all know, lately, I've been training them, man. I've been trying to get to it, you feel me? Get my subscribers up. Shout out to everybody who done subscribed, joined, and who been helping me, sharing it, running up these views for me, bro. I really appreciate y'all, bro. Like, it's been a long 3 years of just straight trying to get somewhere with this. And now it's starting to show off, so I mean, I'm really feeling good, man. But, yeah, man, I'm just chilling, bro. It's a pretty day, you know what I mean? So I hop in the SS. I'm probably gonna stop, clean this up, vacuum it, give it a little wipe down. I might get it on camera, let y'all see it. If I don't get it, I will make sure I show y'all whatever. But right now, what we doing is we're about to stop by the gas station, get some gas. I told y'all I was bringing another dirt bike to the channel, 500 subscribers. So that's what we on the way to do right now. We going to go look, bro. We going to look. You know what I mean? We ain't gonna. I don't think I'm gonna purchase nothing today. Well, I know I'm not gonna purchase nothing today because I like to weigh my options. And I don't like to just jump on the first thing that I see or whatever. I always want to make sure that I'm gonna like something or enjoy something before I buy it. So I like to shop around. I might go like you know what I mean? But I heard about this shop in Greenville, South Carolina, on Lawrence Road. If you're from that area, they say if you bike life, they say that's where it's at, man. You need to go there and check them out. So. Yeah, that's what we doing today. Yeah, man, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn y'all off and turn y'all back on when we get there or whatever. I might give y'all a little bit of highway footage. I mean, me riding down the highway or whatever. Y'all just tune in and enjoy the video, man. Let's get it, let's go.
Coming, they get it wrong, young nigga money. Ain't shit fronted, I ain't saying I ain't been fronted. You see how I'm rocking, see how I'm throwing this money. Run up, Brello, get the bussin'. Get it wrong, nigga, some money. 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 Get it wrong, nigga, some money.
Guess they paid the right nigga the money. I bought me a camera and put my vision in their faces. Now I be state to state while clutching Drake on Drake. I shoot like cannons on any occasion. So it's like ever since I bought my mic in HP, everything I do be clear as HD. Clutching heavy, ain't nobody taking me. Skrilla chasing every day, I'm making cheese. Paid the wrong young nigga bread, now I'm stepping on heads. Cause low key don't even got no bed. I be up off them beans and go weed, that's my meds. Home in the street, steady ducking from feds. While I drip in my green and my red, it was smoke, now he dead. Me like a match, I burn shit, be prepared. Gun let the clap, I ain't scared. Yeah, I solemnly swear to get the Skrilla, don't matter where.
Get it wrong, nigga, some money. 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 Get it wrong, nigga, some money.
So y'all see we here. Upstate cycle, feel me? We out here. They got everything out here for your kids, you feel me? If y'all got any kids that like to ride, call holler at them, cause they got full inventory, look like. But look, y'all know what we come for. Y'all know what we come for. Go ahead and speak to the people. See how it's gonna go. Okay, then. Dang, that's nice right there, bro. That's nice. That's nice. That's like a little baby, though. Too little for me, but it's nice, though. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Man, these nice, too. This is we come for something like this. I just don't like that headlight right now. Sorry. Got some nice bikes in here. Let's see. Thought I'll pull up, show y'all some bikes. With me. How you doing, bro? Yes, sir. nice right here. Sir. I love how me want to give me blue and white ones right here. Like them little baby stuff. Okay. I think these beta bikes, huh? These beta bikes, man. Beta bikes look good, bro. Engines look good on them. They say they're the best ones to have. I never owned one, so I wouldn't really know. See it though.
Side by sides are very expensive all the way around. Purchase.
This one sold, they say. They sold that one. I just don't like the front lights. But for some reason, the front light makes it look mean, though.
You might drive better than me, but that's up to you. I drive hard too.
Only thing I don't drive hard is my heart.
You break it,
The only thing I
man.
don't drive hard is my heart.
You would.
That's because I know how expensive it is to replace.
I don't 125s.
Yeah.
Yeah, we ain't looking for no 125. We're looking for about 450 or 300. We don't go down and check these out real quick.
With the purchase of the actual machine, because you would need that.
These nice too. I can't wait till my little boy get big enough to ride one of these, so I can get my little boy one of these. When he's big enough to ride one of these, I'm gonna get him one of these. Yeah, it's just 125s. Too small. They got tires, everything y'all need. This potato right here. This one right here. So, yes, 500 subscribers, get you there. Get there.
Yeah, but then that's something I can actually teach you.
How's she doing, babe? Thank you so much.
Charlie, y'all gotta be sure with all.
I got kids, come on by. I'm looking at this one for my prints. Your prints, you might be getting that, boy.
I appreciate it. Me too.
Yeah, like that, a lot.
It's always a good excuse to come see
This one right here. Sure. He got a little fake emblem man up there. He look like he about real though. This one right here.
No reaction.
Nice little beta bike.
Yeah, I was waiting for
Do
him
you not
to.
see
Yes,
the
sir.
look in my eyes?
Wow.
Oh God, you're gonna get me tossed out.
Well, I mean,
That's nice though.
You.
How you doing? Good, man. I'm good. Yes, sir.
I'm almost out of
That beta is nice, but that red one is nice. But it's sold though. Go back and check on the helmets and stuff. Y'all know we gotta have safety first. They got some nice helmets here.
And you know what? I actually signed it.
Yes, sir. Nice helmets, buddy. Oh, this is where prints need to be right here. Yeah. Yes, sir. I need to get my son some of this because he's rough.
Are you
I don't need it, but he gonna need it though. Prince is very rough, y'all. Oh, they got more back there. Okay. I don't know if I can go back there or not. I'll find out though. Hey, buddy, is it alright if I walk right there and look at them? It's alright if we walk back here.
Yeah,
a little?
you can
Okay.
come on back here.
All right.
Yeah, we're a little cluttered right now because
Yes,
we're
sir.
just putting new lights in, but yeah,
Yes,
make
sir.
yourself at home.
Yes, sir. Nice right here, boy. That's a big boy. That ain't nothing to play with right there. 300. Damn, I thought that was my little sister's right here. It looked just like it. My little sister got one identical to that. Yeah. Data bites. They disassembled. He ain't put the hands on it yet. That's a can now. I think that's like one of the new ones with the like electric. They say they fast though. I wouldn't have it though. Y'all know me. Yeah, gang, y'all see it, man. We up here at Upstate Cycle. And, I just want to bring y'all. I told y'all if y'all got me 500, we're gonna get a new dirt bike. So, yeah, man. I'm bringing y'all to show y'all some of the stuff that's offering. This might be good. This might be on the line for me or whatever. So, y'all stay tuned. Hope y'all enjoying this video. Let's go. Yeah, still back here. We got some good stuff back there. That might be the personal stuff. Yeah. You see how they building them back here? Yes, sir. He over there building it right now. Look. They got some nice stuff back here. Yes, sir.
You hit like one.
Yeah.
When I was here.
Yeah, you can actually see it here now, right?
Got some nice stuff here. They got plastics for y'all if y'all need plastics. For your bikes, for your projects. Come shop with them. Trophies all over the wall. Let's look at the mopeds real quick. You go here looking at the moped. Nice four-wheelers. Coaster. I think that's the same one my boy Kevin had. I want 1,300. Where's this? Y'all see that baby sitting over there, you feel me? Yeah. I know y'all got that uncle that love to ride the moped, you feel me? You feel me? Come shop for your uncle, man. They need a holiday, an uncle's holiday. You feel me? Come shop for your uncle. Yeah, them things look like they got that candy on them. Ooh. That thing hit too, bro. Somebody blowing at me, I don't know who it is. But yeah, gang, y'all see what we got going on though. I'm about to close this video out, man, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know it's gonna be kind of a short video or whatever, and yeah, man, 500 subscribers, and we coming to shop here, dog. We coming to shop here, 500 subscribers, you feel me? 500 subscribers get me here. It's your boy Big Drip, man. Check it out. And I'm back. I'll holler at y'all, man. Let's get it. And I'm out, gang.